Greetings, guys. Welcome to the walkthrough. This walkthrough is about my shell script. I created this shell script to automate the commands used in John the Ripper. John the Ripper is obviously the password cracking tool to crack the passwords of the several files. For example, say zip files, RAR files, some kind of archive files, or the password hashes used in the user passwords like Windows user passwords, something kind of that. So my shell script just is a basic script and that script just does the job of cracking the password of a zip file. So I have a test archive over here, this test arc.zip. Now let me show you what the password is. I'm opening it with archive manager selected, and after clicking the files of the archive, I'm typing the password, which is test5678. So after clicking it, I got my file open. So this is the password of the test archive which I have over here. So before going into the shell script, let me take you into my repo. Obviously, this is the GitHub repo of mine. So if you are a Linux user, you could download it using the command git. Before you could use the git command, make sure you have the tool git on your Linux machine. So by default, I know that Kali Linux has the git tool. So I don't need to download it. If you have to download it, use the command apt get space install git. So after typing enter, you'll be asked for prompting either yes or no. After your prompts is being entered, you have the tool installed. So after installing it, type git space clone space obviously the link of my repo. So paste it .zit. After entering it, yeah. So on my folder, I have the folder named yrepo, and here are the files of the repository. Obviously, John auto.sh is the shell script which automatically runs several commands to crack the zip file using John the Ripper. So without stretching further, let me go how this shell script works. So I have the test archive file and opening the terminal in the directory. So I'm running I'm running the shell script using the command bash john auto.sh. So after typing enter, it runs the command. This is a script to automate the commands used in John the Ripper. This script automates the password cracking of .zip files. So after getting the prompt of the directory path .zip file, basically you couldn't type the directory because it's very difficult to keep track of what is the directory of the archive files. So let me suggest you a simple trick, which is right click on the zip file, click properties, and you could find the destination of the archive file. So copy this and paste this followed by slash and then the name of the archive file. So testarc.zip. After entering it, so enter the directory where the word list is present. So actually, what do you know about the word list? Actually, the word list is a text file or some other file with some other extension which has several list of passwords either used in common or is being reported that these were the passwords used recently. So let me show what a word list is. I have a word list over here which is password.txt, which contains several list of passwords, some common passwords or recently used passwords, something like that. So there's no other way to crack a the archive file none other than using with a word list. So I had the word list, and as the same, I'm copying the directory of the destination of the file. So paste it, root slash the name of the file, obviously password dot txt. Yes, that's it. So after you entering it, the script starts processing the commands, and after that you could get the password, which is test 5678. Obviously this is the password which you have been used to unlock the archive file. So this is the you know this is how to crack your .zip file using my shell script, which I've done. So that's it. Show your support for my future scripts, and thank you guys.